What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to start this channel today. Today is March the 5th, 2023. I named this channel Truth of Trading. And y'all might be wondering, if you ever go back and watch this video, man, what made this guy want to start a channel with his phone? You know, it's just the thoughts in my head after what happened to me this past week. You know, this could have been, coulda, woulda, shoulda, one of the best weeks of my life. And yet, it turned out into just another disappointing week as far as my trading career goes. We'll find more out about that later. You know, I plan on putting a video up every day. My name's JT, by the way, and I'm sorry for the quality video here. It's just, something just sparked in me at work today. I said, I'm just going to start using YouTube as a personal journal. You know, I can go back and think about the thoughts day in, day out. And it's fine. People can watch my videos. They can troll me. It's all good. All love, no hate, you know. It don't bother me anything you say. But what made me pick out the name of my channel, Truth of Trading, is you'll find out day by day. I've been trading every day for a little over 2 years now. And you ask me, well, what kind of trader are you? You know, you options trader, you know, you trade the Forex market. Do you just buy stocks and sell stocks? I do it all, you know. I wanted to learn the market so bad. You know, when I was younger, I had a hunger for, or an interest, let's say, for the stock markets, and what are these candles, and what are these graphs, and what are these charts, and why does this go up and down, and seeing movies and the portrayals of people's in suits going in, and the pits, and people yelling at each other, you know, buy this, sell this, you know. For some reason, it just piqued my curiosity when I was younger. And then, you know, I got older, teenager, you know. I kind of lost interest in all that. I forgot about all that, you know. I started doing what was right. Going to school, you know. Getting ready for college. Getting ready for my adult life and everything it had to offer me. And I got out of school, I got a job, I started doing what was right. And later in life, let's go maybe 16 years down the road, I'm in my mid-30s, early 30s. I had an experience with a job that I had worked for a long time, big company, you know, paid pretty good money, you know. Man, it supported me all through my 20s, helped me raise a child, you know. Great job, you know. And I left it, I realized I was going nowhere. I'd have to work there until the day I died. And opportunity arose for me to move to a different part of my country And I left that job. And I was a good guy. I did everything I was supposed to. I deposited money into my 401k every week, you know. I'd been with this company for 10 years. And after 10 years, you would have thought, man, 10 years, you know, he's making 60 grand a year in the early mid 2000s, you know. He worked there for 10 years, you know. He might have had a okay 401k in there, you know. I'll even go on the low side. Depositing 50, 70 bucks a week, you thought I would have had 50, 60, at least 80 grand in there, you know. And I was young, foolish, didn't keep up with my finances as well as I could have. And come to find out, when I left that job, I had a total of $18,000 in my 401k portfolio. $18,000. Now that's through nobody's fault but my own. But truly, how long would I had to have kept working there to be able to retire? I would have had to work there for 100 more years. So to get to the point of the story, this is just my first video I'm putting out here. I just wanted you to get a little bit of note of where I might be coming from and how I think, and you know, I just wanted to get that story off my chest because a lot of people have these woe is me and I come from nothing to something, and I'm just a regular guy. I mean, you don't get much more boringer than me, you know. But I've had a lot of interesting experiences. So with this 18,000, you know, if you cash it out, you're going to pay a fee to the government for cashing out an early 401k. And on top of that, you have to pay taxes on that. So I had about 9 grand from that in my pocket. And I moved to a different part of the country and started another job. So to get to the point on this story, this started my trading journey, this experience, because this experience awoke something in me as to how my 401k could be so low. Isn't there not a 401k manager, you know, and people that are managing your workplace's portfolios? Don't they have your best interest at heart? Nah, they don't care. As long as they get their fee, it's irrelevant what happens to your retirement fund. You're the one that needs to be responsible for your retirement fund. They just hold it for you and do as you tell them to do. I didn't know this when I was younger. No animosity, no hate. But there's a lot of people in the world that are probably doing the same thing, you know. They're just depositing money from their paycheck every week, expecting that 401k is going to make them rich one day. It's going to help them retire with ease one day. If you're going to keep working and keep depositing a 401k, just keep up with it, you know. If it's not going nowhere, are you really doing anything other than just putting your money in a savings account, you know? But this started my trading journey, and man, I'm 2 years in deep, and I'm still yet to be profitable. But I've had a lot of aha moments, and trading, it's full of a lot of those aha moments, you know. That's how that works. That's how that works. And I've been fortunate not to lose too much money in the markets. You know, it's a lot for me, but you know, in the grand scope of things, you know, there's people who lose every month what took me a little over 2 years to lose in a slow bleed over time. But I don't want this video to be too negative. I just had a lot of thoughts on my mind. I felt the need to start a channel, and I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'll holler at you next time, and we'll talk to each other later. Peace.